Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by opening Play Store and installing your new defaults, like for example, browser. When your new apps are ready, go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access Apps section. Then select the default apps and click on one of those options. I want to change my browser app, so I have to click here. Tap on my new downloaded one to apply it and select the back button. So when I click, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!